Hello everyone. Welcome to our broadcasting room. My name is Jackie.
My name is Colin. We are going to introduce our brand PLASTAR and our multi-layer machines.
Yes, PLASTAR, a 20-year brand, focuses only on one thin blown film machine. I witnessed its rapid progress and development, especially during past 3 years of COVID-19. It not only stands still, but also creates a new chapter. Now PLASTAR has about 10,000 SQM workshop, over 120 employee, and younger team group. Its customer network covers more than 90 countries and areas all over the world. The most important is quality and technology. It got many certificates such as CE, SGS and ISO 9001. Now PLASTAR can make maximum 9 layers co-extrusion machine.
So could you show us some real equipment you mentioned?
Yes, sure. Let's take this 5 layers for example.
Wow, so big machine. What is the height?
It is about 13 meters.
What products does it mainly make?
It depends. It can be applied in many areas such as all bags, shrink film, lamination film, protection film, construction film, agricultural film, and so on.
May I have a brief specification?
Yes, sure. Follow me. I will show you. First of all, this whole structure is made of H-beam steel. It makes the machine more stable. Now let's see the machine screws first. This machine has 5 set high speed and bimetallic screws A, B, C, D, E. Their sizes are 65 millimeters, 75 millimeters, 90 millimeters, 75 millimeters, and 65 millimeters. Now let's see the main motor. The main motor is WN, and the gearbox is SG. It adopts direct link to make speed faster and output higher. Now let's come to this screen changer. The screen changer is non-stop hydraulic type. It makes the machine fast speed and no stop. Here is the die. This is a overlay die, had 5 layers, whose advantage is making raw material not accumulated inside and no block. We have our die factory running over 20 years. We have many 5-axis processing centers from Germany, Japan, and China, Taiwan. This die is also made by ourselves independently. The air ring is automatic air volume type, which is Germany's last control brand. It makes the thickness tolerance fast cut half, and it works together with automatic thickness gauge system. Look at this bubble. It is running very transparent. The bubble gauge is round tile. Its roller material is carbon fiber, which makes the heat going fast. About the dosing system. It is also Germany's last control brand. It can mix max 20 kinds of raw materials. It saves for customers more cost from the time and labor. Now the machine is running well. Let's check this thickness tolerance in the touch screen. system. This machine also configures IBC system and Hall-off oscillator. Next, I will show you some other parts upstairs. This way, please. This is down traction part for slitting knives and to edge trimming knives. This is Germany VST brand CPC web guide. Both sides make the edge correction to make film stable and flat.
Is it for two sides correction?
Yes, to sides. CPC is to sides correction, while EPC is one side. So we use the better one.
Is this one can correct the film into center?
Yes, to sides to the center, and makes film more stable. Now let's see the thickness gauge device. It works together with automatic air ring. This is non-touch type. It is 360 degrees around the film bubble to monitor every point of the film. Once there is much difference of thickness tolerance, it will give the signal to the automatic air ring, and then air ring will change the thickness through adjusting the air automatically, and then make the film more stable and less than 3%. Please check it running.
This is made in PLASTAR brand from Japan, right?
Yes, it is. Let's see the electric cabinet. The main inverter is a Skawa brand from Japan. All the switch, button, breaker is Schneider brand from France. The relay is FOTK brand from China, Taiwan. And the traction winter motor is servo motor, making the machine running more stable. Let's go to the third floor. This is collapsing frame to make the film into flat form. It's a roller material, also carbon fiber. Also make the film heat going fast. This roller can rotate by itself. It can be also turned around 360 degrees, together with Hall-off oscillator. The Corona treatment is CH brand from China, Taiwan. Jinhong brand. This Corona treatment can make the film. It can eliminate the statics for easy printing. Now go to the top floor for the oscillation. This is rotary tower. You can also call it Hall-off oscillator. It can turn 360 degrees and then turn back around, making the film width and widthing flat. It is not like the head rotary. It no needs to maintain. You can check for a while. This turn around. Now let's go to the downstairs to see the windows. The automatic Then ABC 3 layers can't do that. 5 layers can mix them very well. The second one, it can save your cost from raw material and electricity consumption. If you have recycled material 5,000 in the middle layer, it can save you 50 USD per ton, and electricity consumption can save you 50 USD per kWh. The third reason is that output. 5 layers can make 500 kilograms per hour, higher than ABC machines.
I see. How can customers manage it in their factory?
Don't worry about it. We will send engineers to customers, workshop to guide them, installation, commissioning and operation training.
Nice service. Then what is the delivery time for so big machine?
It depends. If with Germany or Italy, automatic air ring. From Germany, from Italy, it takes 120 to 130 working days. If without, normally it takes 75 to 90 working days. We need enough time to ensure the quality.
Yes, quality is always the first thing. Suppose any customer wants to buy the machines. What is the payment term?
Generally, we accept the TT payment term. Sometimes, we accept part of LC.
Okay, last question. There are also some other suppliers. Why choose PLASTAR?
Because, as we have for business philosophy and 6 core technology by our independent R&D, that's why we are supported by customer continually, and they adjusted us. Next, I will have a brief introduction of these things. For business philosophy, 1. Listening. We listen to customers' requests with our heart. 2. Collaboration. Sincerely, we cooperate with customers' requests. 3. Customization. We can accept and customize the customer's requests well. 4. Profession. We finish every customer's request. 6. Core technology. 1 die head. I will show you again. You can check that this is die head. We have run die head factory by ourselves, independently. More than 20 years. We have several 5-axis processing center from Germany, Japan, and China, Taiwan to make this hard part superb. So all these hives, die head made by us. In China, we are one of the only suppliers available. Who got this processing center and this die? Is an overlay tile. It can make the raw material not blocked inside and running smoothly. A second one is automatic air. This is Germany brand. Fortunately, last year, we break through successfully our own brand PLASTAR. We also have automatic air ring now by ourselves. The third one is IBC system. IBC system has 3 ultrasonic sensors to monitor the film around. It can adjust the film width automatically and also increase the output 10 to 20%. Furthermore, it can improve the quality by exchanging fresh air inside the bubble and a smelly air outside the bubble. And before it is a dosing system. We also have our own gravimetric dosing. It can make the film more precise and save you labor, save you raw material cost in the middle layer. Every year, you can save the cost to buy to ABA machine. Number 5 is this central type winders. Comparing with the surface friction type, this central type can make the film more flat, and it used non-touch film surface model, so you can make the film this surface. No scratch, no damage. It improved the quality very well. The third one is to make the film stable, witting flat and working stable. We use this servo motor. It is no noisy and make the film flat. Machine running, stable, no chum. Final one is that a central feeding system. This is the new system. You can see there are 2 advantages about this central feeding system. If you have more than 20 kinds of raw materials, then it can mix better by itself automatically. Another one is film quality. With this one, no any dust will go inside the raw material. It'll directly go to the machine without dust. So it'll completely improve the quality very well. With these advantages, I cannot figure out why not PLASTAR.
Excellent, thanks for your patient description and determination. I'm convinced the broadcasting is over this time. If you have any more detailed questions, please feel free to email us. Next time we will show the 7 layers. Asymmetric barrier film equipment.
The 7-layer machines, yes.
See you all, have a nice day.
Have a nice day, see you.